show me the grasshopper.
Grasshopper.
Look at Daddy.
Grasshopper. I got a bug. I got a bug.
You got a bug?
Yeah. Look at me. I got me.
What's that? You see Mommy? What's Mommy doing?
Sitting down.
Sitting down?
You want to do that to Daddy? Thank you.
Make a pie.
You want to go do that to Sophie?
Yeah.
Sophie's right here.
She's right there. No.
Good job, Lily.
Hold it. One or two steps.
I don't think Jose likes that.
Do it again.
Do it again.
Be careful. Lily, he doesn't like that.
Doesn't like that. I got the bug.
You got the bug?
Sting you.
It stings you?
Yeah.
And then what do you say? After it stings you?
Do you cry? Show me how you cry.
Wow.
Now show me how you're happy.
Mommy cry.
Watch out for Jose. He's going to bite you. Poor Jose. Jose.
Hey, you want to go pet Cabo?
Yeah.
Give Cabo a hug.
Okay, no problem. Come over here. Where's Lily? Oh, there's. Are you chasing Cabo?
There he is.
Go give Cabo a kiss.